Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing your environment and starting the project. Install the Firebase CLI and log in with Firebase Login so your local machine can deploy. Once done, run Firebase init and choose Hosting, Firestore, or Auth depending on needs. Select the project ID you created in the console. Make sure to initialize a public folder and single-page rules if using frameworks, because that sets deployment structure and prevents later path issues when you build and serve. You now configure services and integrate code. Add the Firebase SDK using npm or a CDN, then call initialize app with your config values so your app connects to the right project. Once connected, initialize Firestore, Auth, or storage objects and wire them into your UI actions. This is where you translate user intent to database reads or writes. Also set security rules and indexes. These control data access and performance, so adjust rules early to avoid broken reads or unauthorized access during testing. You finish by testing, building, and deploying. Use Firebase emulators. Start to validate functions in Firestore locally, then run your app build command and deploy with Firebase deploy to push hosting and functions. Once deployed, monitor Firebase logs and analytics to confirm behavior. If something goes wrong, check deployment logs, verify your environment config matches console values, and review security rules. Most deployment failures stem from mismatched keys, strict rules, or missing indexes, so adjust and redeploy after small fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.